Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutmainna Nurul Insani. I'm from English Education Department 2019 at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. Well, I will explain about an overview on Curriculum 2013, its implementation in senior high school level of education. The Curriculum 2013 of senior high school consists of the first, the basic framework of the curriculum, the second of curriculum structure, dan yang ketiga silabus, dan yang keempat subject guidelines. So, curriculum structure is the organization of the competence, basic competence, learning content, subject, and learning loads. So, core competence consists of four. The first, core competence of spiritual attitude. Jadi yang dimaksud dengan spiritual attitude itu berarti sikap yang berhubungan dengan pembentukan peserta didik yang beriman dan bertakwa. The second of core competence of social attitude. Jadi yang dimaksud dengan social attitude adalah berhubungan dengan pembentukan peserta didik yang berakhlak mulia, mandiri, demokratis, dan bertanggung jawab. Yang ketiga yaitu core competence for knowledge, atau sesuatu yang terjadi dalam diri manusia yang diperoleh dari hasil pencarian manusia itu sendiri. Yang keempat yaitu tentang core competencies for skills. Maksudnya, kemampuan untuk menggunakan akal, pikiran, dan ide, serta kreativitas dalam mengerjakan, mengubah, ataupun membuat sesuatu menjadi lebih bermakna, sehingga menghasilkan sebuah nilai dari hasil pekerjaan tersebut. The subject for senior high school, the second of general subject or group A, the second of general subject or group B, and the last of academic specialization subject or group C. So, general subject or group A is a curricular program that aims to develop attitude, competence, knowledge competence, and skill competence of student, a basis and strengthening ability in social, national, and state life. The second of general subject or group B is a curricular program that aims to develop attitude, competence, knowledge competence, and environment skill competence of students related to the environment in the social, cultural, and artistic fields. And the last is academic specialization subject or group C is a curricular program that aims to develop competence, attitude, knowledge competence, and competency skill of students in a variety of scientific discipline choice. While general subject or group A consists of the first is religion and manner education, the second of Pancasila and civic education, kemudian yang ketiga Indonesia, yang keempat matematika, yang kelima sejarah Indonesia, yang keenam itu bahasa Inggris atau English. Well, I will explain about general subject or group B consists of number 1, art and culture, B, physical education, sport and health, C, craft and entrepreneurship, and D. Local content or local language. And the last is specialization subject or group C cover. Number 1, specialization in mathematics and natural science. The second is specialization in social science. The last is specialization in language and culture. Specialization in natural and social science. Number 1, specialization subject in mathematics and natural science consists of number 1, basis, the second of asymmetry, yang ketiga biologi, and the last is matematika. Kemudian specialization subject in social science consists of number 1, geografi, yang kedua ekonomi, yang ketiga sosiologi, dan yang keempat sejarah. Okay, next, specialization subject in language and culture consists of the first is Indonesian language and literature, the second of English language and literature, bagian C, other foreign language and literature, and the last is anthropology. Okay, next, the stage of implementing curriculum 2013 include the first is preliminary activity, the second of core activity, the last is closing activity. And then assessment aspect. The first is knowledge assessment atau tugas pengetahuan. Yang kedua itu tentang skill assessment atau tugas kemampuan atau keterampilan. Yang ketiga, attitude and behavior assessment. Okay, next, the first is preliminary activity teachers. Pertama itu creating a pleasant learning atmosphere. Yang kedua, informing competence that have been previously stipulated and developed. Yang ketiga, convey the competence to be accepted and their benefit in everyday life. Kemudian yang keempat, convey an outline of the scope of materials and activity to be carried out. And the last is convey the scope and assessment technique of be used. Okay, the second or B, core activity. The core activity is a learning process to achieve competence. Wise is carried out intervally, inspiring, fun, challenging, motivating students to actively participate, and providing sufficient space for initiative, creative, and independence according to the talent, interest, and physiological development of students. The core activity use a scientific approach that is suited to the characteristic of the subject and student. Okay, the last is closing activity. The closing activity consists of the first is teacher activity with student, seperti pertama, make a summary or conclusion of the lesson. Kedua, reflect on activity that have been implemented. Dan yang ketiga, provide feedback on the learning process and result. Okay, the second is teacher activity, seperti make a assessment atau membuat sebuah tugas untuk diberikan kepada siswa. B, planning follow-up activity in the form of remedial learning. Yang ketiga, submit the lesson plan at the next meeting. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.